Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start your fifth chapter, negative sentences. So what do you mean by negative sentences? Sentences which have no or not, that type of sentences are called negative sentences. For example, I am well. What type of sentence it is? We know that this is what? Assertive, that is declarative sentence. Yes, we know that. But this is what? Positive sentence, not negative. Because here we have not found any no or not. To make this sentence as negative, what we can do? We can use what? I am not well. Yes. Here there is only one verb. Okay, am. But if there will be more verb that are playing, this is also a positive sentence, right? Declarative. We are playing cricket. How can you make this sentence into negative? If there will be two verbs are playing, where we will put the no or not, we are not playing. Okay, so where we will use? So we will use the negative no or not between the verbs. So if there are more verbs, two verbs, we will put the no or not where? Between the two verbs. Okay. Same way here also two. So what we will use? He can do it. We can make it into negative by writing what? He cannot do it. Okay. Like if we say there are fruits in the basket. In the basket. So how you will make it negative? There are what? No fruits. Here we will not use not. We will use what? No. Yes? No fruits. Are there any fruits? No. There are no fruits in the basket. Have you understood that how you will change the sentence from positive to negative? Yes. Positive is when there are no negative, no or not. That type of sentence we will call positive. And if there will be no or not in a sentence, we will tell it what? Negative. Now we are going to talk about imperative sentence. How you will change a positive sentence that is imperative to negative one. Come here. This is what? Command. Yes? Come here. So how you will change into negative? You will not use here come, no, here, no. We have to use what? We have to use do not. That is don't. Okay? Don't come here. Same way, this is also an imperative sentence, go there. So how you will change into negative? Don't go there. Okay? In this way, you will change the sentence, positive sentence into negative one. Now, I had a pet dog. Had is the verb here. Okay? So how you will change into negative? I had a pet dog. So if you have to change into negative, you have to remove a. Okay? So how you will change? I had no pet dog. You cannot use again a. Okay. Now I have some friends. So if you want to make the sentence into negative, you have to remove some. Understood? I have what? No friends. Okay. Have you understood the difference? Now you will do question number A and B in your English 2 copy. Okay. I will show you only one example. After that you have to do the remaining one by yourself. Number A, change these positive sentences into their negative forms. Number 1, Miss Sunanda is our teacher. So how you will change this sentence into negative one? So you have to write what? Miss Sunanda is not our teacher. Yes. So in this way you will do 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It is there in your book. So you will do it by yourself. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Of question number A. Now question number B. Change these negative sentences into their positive forms. Now the opposite is given, that the sentence is given in negative. Yes. This is a negative sentence and you have to change this into positive one. So how you will change? Manik. So question is given one. Manik was not studying for the test. So how you will change? Manik was studying. So you will change into positive. positive sentence. For the Manik was studying for the test. So you have changed from negative to positive sentence. In this way, you will do the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your English 2 copy. Okay, that's all. Operation number C cannot be done now. We will do it in school. Okay. So A and B you will do in your copy. I have shown you one example. The remaining one will be done by you. Okay. Thank you.